The 2013 Chevrolet Traverse. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including leather upholstery, a power seat, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, a blind spot monitoring system, automatic dimming door mirrors, a power liftgate, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.